Good day, dear students. Today we are going to see algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? As you know, algebraic expression consists of variables and constants along with some mathematical operators. And where it is being used in day-to-day life, it is used in finance sectors. As you have studied the formula, amount equal to PNR by 100 as well as amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. This is also an algebraic expression where it is used to calculate the interest for the amount being deposited in a bank. So it is also used in the design of a building where it involves complex algebraic expressions is required to decide the cost in lowering the cost of a building. Right? Now, what is an expression? Here in this expression, 52x squared minus 9x plus 36 equal to 7m plus 82. Here, it consists of three terms. You have studied single term is monomial, two terms if an expression is having, it is binomial. Here it is having three terms, so it is called trinomial. So this expression has three terms. So what is this coefficient? The coefficient of the term over here m, and that term which is along with this is a coefficient, and the constant means the values doesn't change. Variable, here x is a variable, and m is a variable. X can be 1, 2, 3, any integers. Similarly, m is a variable, it can take any values, it can change. So they are variables. We are going to add the given expression. It is a monomial 8ab minus 5ab, 3ab minus ab. So first bring the like terms together, right? So 8ab plus 3ab and minus 5ab minus ab, and 8 plus 3 is 11 and minus 5 minus ab is minus 6. The answer is 5ab. If you are seeing to the next problem, 7x minus 3x, 5x minus x minus 2x, bring out the like terms together. If it is a positive term, bring it together. Negative term, bring it together. So 7x plus 5x and then minus of 3x plus x and then minus 2x. So if you add these terms, we get 6x. So we are adding the positive terms 7 plus 5, we get 12x, minus we are adding the negative term minus 3x minus x and then minus 2x. So totally minus 6x. The answer is plus 6x. Here we are adding up the, if it has four terms, what is this term called? Quadrinomial. Yes, it is called quadrinomial. Here, we are going to add the given algebraic expression one by one. First, write the expression and group the like terms together. That is, P term together and Q term together and R term together and the constant term together. And then you are adding up, we get minus 6P plus 17Q. We are going for the next problem. 4x squared minus 7xy plus 4x squared y squared minus 3 and 5 plus 6y squared minus 8xy plus x squared and 6 minus 2xy plus 2x squared minus 5y squared. We are grouping up the like terms, that is x squared term. Here x squared, here x squared. Both are positive, so 5x square along with 2x squared, we get 7x squared minus 7xy, here minus 8xy. So it is minus 15xy and then minus 17xy. So the answer is minus 17xy. 4y square here. This 4y square added with 6y square, we get 10y squared, and then 10 minus 5y squared is 5y squared. We are grouping the constants. So minus 3 here plus 5 here. So the answer is plus 2. added with 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So we are going to subtract. This problem is subtract minus 16p from minus 11p. So minus 11p from means we have to take that term first. From that term we are subtracting minus 16p. So minus 11p minus of minus becomes plus. That is 16p. That is equal to minus 11p plus 16p equal to 5p because the greater sign of the term is plus. From the next problem, we are going to subtract from this algebraic expression. So write this expression first and then we are going to subtract the another algebraic expression, that is 2a minus 5b plus 2c minus 9. So you are subtracting this, so the minus sign is going inside. So there is a change in sign for all the terms. So this plus 2a becomes minus 2a, minus 5b becomes plus 5b, plus 2c becomes minus 2c, minus 9 becomes plus 9. So 3a minus 2a becomes, you are grouping the like terms. 3a minus 2a is a, minus 4b plus 5b is plus 1b, that is b. Minus c plus 2c, you are adding up and taking up the common sign, that is minus 3c. 6 plus 9 is 15. We are going to find the perimeter of a triangle and the two sides are given. We are going to find the other side. What is meant by a perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of a triangle. Here the perimeter of a triangle, that means the boundary. The area means the area which is the part which is inside the triangle is the area. The perimeter is the boundary. Now, perimeter means adding up of the three sides, right? What is the perimeter of a triangle? It has three sides. So, S plus S plus S. So, we can write it as three sides, right? So, 3 times of S. So, from the three sides, if you subtract two sides, then we get the third side of a triangle. So, the perimeter is given. From that, you are subtracting the two sides. So, two sides are given in different expressions, algebraic expressions. First, add up the two sides of a triangle and then subtract with the perimeter. We get the third side of a triangle. Now, add these two terms here. P squared plus 3p squared becomes 4p squared. And then minus 2p minus 5p becomes minus 7p. Plus 1 plus 3 becomes plus 4. Now we are going to subtract, then only we can find the third side of a triangle. If you subtract, this minus sign is going inside. So minus 4p squared plus 7p and then minus 4. So 6p squared minus 4p squared becomes 2p squared. Minus 4p plus 7p becomes plus 3p because the sign of the greater integer. 9 minus 4 is 5. So we are going to find the products. We are going to find the products. 5x plus 7 is one expression multiplied by 3x plus 4. You are taking each term and multiply it inside. If you are taking each term and multiplying it inside, that is 5x multiplied by 3x and again 5x multiplied by 4 and again take 7 and multiply by the two terms, 7 into 3x and again 7 into 4. So 5 into 3x becomes 15, x into x becomes x squared. 7 into 3x becomes 21x. 5 fours are 20 and x becomes 20x plus 28. So these two are like terms. We can add up the like terms here. 21x plus 20x becomes 41x. The answer is 15x squared plus 41x plus 28. The next problem is 4x plus 9 multiplied with x minus 6. Now multiply each term with the corresponding term on the right hand side. We get 4x squared plus 9x minus 24x minus 54. Now we are grouping the like terms here. 9x minus 24x becomes minus 15x because if one term is positive and the other term is negative, so we are going to subtract and put the sign of the greater sign of the integer here, minus 24. So minus 15x. The answer is 4x square minus 15x minus 54. Here we are going to multiply the term 3p squared into 2p squared, and again 3p squared into minus 3p squared, and again q squared into 2p squared, and again q squared into minus 3p q squared. After multiplying, we get 6p power 4 plus 2p squared into q squared minus 9p squared q squared minus 3q power 4. Now here, in the 11th problem, we are going to multiply each term with a corresponding term on the other side. 2x squared multiplied with x squared, and again 2x squared multiplied by 3y squared, and again minus 5y squared multiplied by x squared, and again minus 5y squared multiplied by 3y squared. We get 2x power 4 plus x squared y squared minus 15y power 4. Now, we are multiplying, this is a trinomial, you are multiplying with x squared minus 3. If you are multiplying each term with the respective term on the right hand side, you get 9x power 4 minus x cube minus 12x squared plus 3x minus 15. Here this trinomial x squared minus 5x plus 8 is being multiplied with x squared, and then again with 2, we get x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 10x squared minus 10x plus 16.